The Chesapeake Bay is an amazing place.
It's filled with animals, birds, ecosystems, and habitats that everyone rely on.
And thanks to the Aqua Partners and the Chesapeake Bay Foundation, we got to see it with our own eyes and touch it with our own hands.
The first Aqua Partner visit to our classroom was fun. We learned about the watermen of the bay and how people make a living from it.
We learned many reasons why there are so few oysters left. Overfishing, pollution, and invasive species, to name a few.
We got to touch the crab shells and even worked as teams to build our own crab pots.
The best was using the tongs to pull up oysters like in the old days. It was hard.
On the second Aqua Partner visit, we learned about pollution in the bay and where it comes from. This made me sad learning how much plastic, styrofoam, and junk end up in the bay.
The trip to Fort McHenry was the best.
We traveled to the marsh with our Aqua Partners. It was so nice to be outside. Right away, we saw a bunch of birds, mallard ducks, and even a water snake. Yikes!
We broke up into groups and explored different stations.
We got to feel and dig up soil samples and analyze them. We checked the color for minerals, seeds, grasses, and stuff.
We learned about plants and trees. The Phragmites is invasive and taking over everything.
The tent caterpillars are also a threat to the trees, but great food to the red-winged blackbirds. My favorite tree was the silver maple.
We went bird watching. We saw an osprey hunting for its family.
Yep, I can see it.
I've never heard a duck quack in real life.
I've never seen baby ducklings before. We went to the shore and found tons of pollution.
I almost cried, there was so much trash.
We analyzed the types of trash and where it came from.
And not only do we need water, but look at the mallard ducks there.
The sewers and tributaries all end up in the bay.
I got to touch a box turtle.
Our poison ivy had 3 leaves.
I learned the marsh filters water and provides important habitat too.
I learned how much we need to protect the bay.
We also did a trash walk in our school neighborhood.
Not up there.
We're picking up trash because if it ends up in the Chesapeake Bay, it could harm animals.
It's fun picking up trash because we're like helping the environment.
We picked up trash so it would not end up in the bay. We discovered if you throw trash on the ground here, it can end up in the bay.
We are also educating others by stenciling storm drains.